Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Science and Knowledge. We have another phone for unboxing today. It's shockproof, it's waterproof, it's dustproof, it's amazing. Oukitel WP2 IP68 phone is the first phone with 24-month warranty. The body is made of steel and is an unimaginably large 10,000 mAh battery is a new world record. Coming up next. Alright, let's have a look. Oukitel WP2. Let's take a look at the back side. Oukitel WP2, size 6-inch. Operating system is Android 8.0 Oreo. Gravity sensor support, proximity sensor, everything is pretty much standard. Android is a trademark of Google, INC, blah blah blah, whatever they talk about the phone. Let's have a look inside. Okay, oh man, it's heavy. A little bit heavy, but we'll take a look later. Okay, let's have a look for other things came with this mobile. Operation guidelines. What is this? Have a look. And nicely designed, nicely packaged. It's a booklet, obviously in English. And this is the warranty certificate. Nice packing. Alright. We have two other boxes. Nice packing. Come on. Oukitel is a wonderful company. They have sent us a couple of mobiles before, and I believe this is for the cables. This is the USB Type-C cable. And what's other? Oh, all right. This is pretty standard as well. And this is USB Type-C to audio jack converter. Wonderful. Right, let's have a look. In other box, I believe it's the charger for the fast charging, pretty standard. AC adapter. Right, there is nothing left inside the box. WP2. Let's have a look at the mobile. Wow, it's heavy. It's heavy. Obviously, with the 10,000 mAh battery, what do you expect? First of all, let's remove the protector. Come on, man. Oh, wonderful. Come to this side. This is the volume button and power button and fingerprint sensor, pretty standard. And on this side, I believe I have to, gently. This is for charging, fast charging. Alright. What's on this side? This is for the SIM card and for the TP card. This is the front camera, 8 megapixel, and on the back side there are two cameras, 8 megapixel and 13 megapixels. Okay, and this is the rug phone for the rough people who are working outside, like the plumbers and electricians and all. They would like to use a phone roughly, and anytime the phone drop down, something like that, And there is a warning as well. Alright. The rubber case, after the steel, which is for the protection, obviously. Okay, let's make it on. Right, let's power on. Come on. Okay. Oukitel is a wonderful company. They design many good phones. One of them using my two best friends at the moment, because I hardly can't use that much of phones, coming from many of the companies. And Oukitel is they didn't given me any complaint about that. Alright, let's make it on. Everything looks pretty standard. and we're gonna go inside the setting, and then I believe it's in system, and then about, yeah, model is Oukitel obviously WP2, and then Android 8.0. we gotta confirm it. Yes, it is. And come on, man. And then it's 64 GB of storage and 4 GB of memory, and screen size is 6 inch, as you can see, 1080 by 2160. Obviously, main camera is 16 megapixel, and sub camera is 8 megapixel, and front camera is 8 megapixel as well. Wireless update and everything is pretty much standard, you know. But since it's the 4 GB, so I mean you can play games on it, and it's a sturdy body, protects your phone from drips. The biggest and best battery in the smartphone market can be proudly for you to download a friend's iPhone for a few times. And the battery supports fast charging and can be fully charged in about 3.5 hours in what it says, I mean inside the manual. And secondly, the handset features are a sleek styling 5.5 inch HD screen, 6.0 inch, and MediaTek MT6735P processor, and double skin, you know, camera gives you bright images even in a poor lighting conditions as well. So it's wonderful, and we will show you some other videos regarding, you know, the drop down tests, and some freezing tests, and some heating tests as well. So the link is always in the description to buy this phone. If you like this phone, it's a little bit heavy, which is the disadvantage. Otherwise, I mean, this is wonderful phone for those people who are working outside in heat or in pretty much tough atmospheres. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.